Moroccan cuisine, delicious and healthy. Welcome to this video about Moroccan cuisine, one of the most diverse and exciting kitchens in the world. Moroccan cuisine is a blend of different cultures, including Arabic, Amazigh, Spanish, and Portuguese. It is characterized by a wealth of flavors, colors, and health benefits. Moroccan cuisine offers a variety of delicious dishes that will leave you wanting more. Some of the most famous dishes include couscous, tagine, pastilla, and harira. These dishes are made from fresh ingredients like meat, poultry, fish, vegetables, and spices. Not only is Moroccan cuisine delicious, but it's also healthy. Many dishes are rich in fiber and other nutrients. For example, couscous is a good source of fiber, tagine is a good source of iron, and pastilla is a good source of protein. If you're looking for a new, delicious, and healthy experience, Moroccan cuisine is an excellent choice. There are plenty of Moroccan dishes to explore, so make sure to give them a try. Moroccan cuisine is a world of flavors, colors, and health benefits. Try it today and enjoy your meal.